Good morning, everyone. Once again, welcome to Kosi Vidya Mandir online classes. Today, we are in multiple angles, and I am going to solve some typical questions. So, you all practice those questions, and uh, in document section, I'll be posting two pages, two extra pages for homeworks, homework 1 and homework 2. So what you will do after this series of videos will end, at the end you go to document section and download all the pages. First few pages are the solution that I will describe in video, and last two pages are for your homeworks. So you do your homework and you post your solutions through this app, upload documents in a student's app. So you can use that. Thank you very much. Now let us begin. So at first, the list of multiple angle formulas revised. Here sin 2a in terms of sin a cos a and in terms of tan a. So you just watch the cursor movement of mouse. Second, cos 2a in three forms, in terms of sin A and cos A, in terms of only cos A, only sin A, and only tan A. Now, tan 2A equal to tan A by 1 minus tan A square A, cot 2A equal to cot A square A minus 1 by 2 cot A, sin 3A 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A, and cos 3A equal to 4 cos cube A minus 3 cos A. You can read all this and memorize. Okay. So now let us see some typical question. In the beginning, easy one. So if sin A is 3 by 5, how can you find the value of sin 2A, cos 2A and tan 2A? As a preparation, first, since sin A is given, you find cos A. You know cos A is root under 1 minus sin A square A equal to, so you will understand all this. So finally you have 4 upon 5, and tan A equal to sin A by cos A. So sin A is 3 by 5 and cos A is 4 by 5. So 3 by 5 upon 4 by 5. 5 cancel, so 3 by 4. So what you have reserved with you? Sin A 3 by 5, cos A 4 by 5 and tan A 3 by 4. Now let us begin. Sin 2A, above there is formula 2 sin A into cos A. So put the value 2, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, multiply 24 by 25. This is the value of sin 2A. Cos 2A, you can use any one of those three formulas. So I have used cos 2A equal to cos square A minus sin square A. That is equal to 4 by 5 whole square minus 3 by 5 whole square. Values are given above. So if you will simplify, you will get 7 by 25. Similarly, tan 2A, you can use sin 2A by cos 2A also, or alternately 2 tan A by 1 minus tan square. So 2 into 3 by 4 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 whole square, that is equal to 6 by 4 upon 1 minus 9 by 4. Take LCM. So it will be 6 by 4, 16 minus 9 by 16. So you know, in such cases, 1, 2, 3, 4 step fraction is there. So second part will be reversed. 6 by 4 into 16 by 7. 4 cancels, so 24 by 7. So this is first solution. Now let's go to next solution. So I'll zoom it so that it will be easily visible to you. Second question, if sin A equal to 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m, then show that cos 2A equal to minus 1 by 2 m square plus 1 by m square. And second, sin 3A equal to minus 1 by 2 m cube plus 1 by m cube. So you see these solutions well, and you will get similar questions in homework. So you can do with the help of these techniques. So first of all, so since sin A is given, so your task should be to convert it into sin A. So cos 2A in terms of sin A is 1 minus 2 sin A square A. So that is equal to 1 minus 2 value of sin A whole square. 1 minus 2, 1 by 2 square is 1 by 4. A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square. So it will become like this. M and M cancel. So next step, 1 minus 2 to 2 to the 4. This 1 by 4 is here. 2 to the 4. M square plus 1 by M square plus this 2. Now 1 minus here 2 to the 4 cancel. So 1 minus this 1 by 2 is left. M square plus 1 by M square here, and then minus 1 by 2 into 2. So minus 1 by 2 into 2, 2 to cancel. 1 minus 1 by 2 bracket M square plus 1 by M square bracket close minus 1. 1 1 cancel. So what is left? That is RHS. That was to be proved. Now next question. Sin 3A equal to 3 sin A minus 4 sin cube A. So here is sin A, here is sin A whole cube with 4. So you have to write values according. 3, this is value of sin A, minus 4, this is value of sin A whole cube. Now 3 into 1 by 2 is 3 by 2, m plus 1 by m, minus 1 by 2 whole cube will become 1 by 8. So 4 into 1 by 8 is 1 by 2. There another bracket m plus 1 by m whole cube. We have not expanded yet. Now in this part and this part, here you have 3 by 2, here 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 can be taken common, and m plus 1 by m is also common. 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m. From here this from 3 by 2 1 by 2 out, so 3 is left. From here 1 by 2 and m plus 1 by m is out, so m plus 1 by m whole square is left. So go to next step, 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m, 3, and expand this using a plus b whole square, m square. You understand this, m and m cancel. Now 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m, 3 is carried forward with there is minus sign in front of bracket. So sign will change, minus m square minus 1 by m square minus 2. So 3 minus 2, next step it will become plus 1. 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m minus m square, 3 minus 2 plus 1, and minus 1 by m square. Now this is equal to this, from this bracket take minus sign out. So minus is here, 1 by 2 m plus 1 by m equal to, so since minus sign was out, so m square, this plus 1 is now minus 1. We write this minus 1 as minus m into 1 by m. This minus 1 by m square became 1 by m square. Now from this bracket to this bracket, it is in the form of formula a cube plus b cube. So it will be here m cube plus 1 by m cube, minus 1 by 2 is outside. That is all. So in this way we can prove this. Now next question. Third, these are typical questions. These are very popular, which can be asked in examinations. First one. So let us start with first one. Sin theta to the power 6 plus cos to the theta to the power 6. This has to be proved 1 by 4, 1 plus 3 cos square to theta. So we will pick up LHS. So power 6 can be written as cube of a square. So sin square theta whole cube plus cos square theta whole cube. Here you will apply a cube plus b cube formula of algebra. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. Is it? So you know this first bracket it will result to 1. Power 4 can be written as a square of a square. So sin square theta whole square plus cos square theta whole square minus this sin square theta cos square. Now again this 1 is there, so it can be ignored now outside the bracket. So a square plus b square is a plus b whole square minus 2ab up to here. Minus again that previous one minus sin square theta cos square theta. So again this is 1 square. These and this are like terms, so they will combine. It will become minus 3 sin square theta cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 into 4, means we inserted, multiplied and divided by 4 here knowingly. Sin square theta cos square theta. Now 1 minus 3 by 4, this from 4 to cos square theta we can write in a bracket 2 sin theta cos theta whole square, and you know 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta with a square, so it is 1 minus 3 by 4 sin square 2 theta. Next step, 1 minus 3 by 4, there is a square over sin 2 theta, you know sin square a equal to 1 minus cos square, so we will use that 1 minus cos square 2 theta. Now remove, expand this, remove bracket, 1 minus 3 by 4 into 1 here, minus into minus plus 3 by 4 into cos square 2 theta. Now these are independent numbers, so 1 minus 3 by 4 it will become 1 by 4 and 3 by 4 cos square theta. Now 4 is 1 by 4 is common, so take it out, 1 plus 3 cos square 2 theta, so that is equal to RHS. Proof. Is it okay? So if you will do yourself in your copy, you can do it. So better, and still if there is any confusion you can ask me in next class. Now 3b, here cos 4 theta has to be written in terms of sin theta. So we are doing that. Cos 4 theta it can be taken as cos 2 into 2 theta, and you know cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. That formula we are using here. So this is cos 2 into 2 theta can be written as 1 minus 2 sin square 2 theta. So 1 minus 2, keep a square here. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So now doing a square, 2 to the 4. So 1 minus 2, 2 square is 4 sin square theta cos square theta. Now there is no need of bracket, 1 minus 8 sin square theta cos square theta. At this point still there is cos square theta. So this cos square theta can be written as 1 minus sin square theta. Now 1 minus 8 sin square theta into 1 minus sin square theta. So multiply this, 1 minus this into 1 is minus 8 sin square theta. Again minus 8 sin square theta into minus sin square theta. So minus minus will become plus 8 sin square sin to the power 4 theta. So in this way we get RHS. Okay. So now next. This is also very popular question. Prove that 1 by sin 10 degree minus root 3 upon cos 10 degree equal to 4. So what we do, this is LHS of this question. So we multiply 4 and balance it by dividing 2 in numerator and multiplying 2 in denominator. So this way, mind it, 1 became 1 by 2, and see this is 4 means 2 into 2. So to balance you have to place 2 in the denominator of numerator and here. So this 2 and this 2 is together 4. So this is balanced. So 1 by 2 sin 10 degree minus root 3 by 2 cos 10 degree. And you know 1 by 2 means sin 30 degree, root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degree. Take LCM, 2 sin 10 degree cos 10 degree. So 2, so cos 10 degree will be multiplied here, sin 30 degree into cos 10 degree minus cos 30 degree into sin 10 degree. And you know this numerator is in the form of sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Its result is sin A minus B, that is sin 30 degree minus 10 degree. A denominator 2 sin A cos A is sin 2A. Double of 10 is 20. So sin 20 degree. Now 30 minus 10 is 20. So sin 20 by sin 20 will cancel. So finally you will be left with 4. So this is solution of the question. Now let's go to next 5 number. Prove that this means which sums I have solved here, they are very important regarding examination from now till SEE exam. So be careful, write in your fair copy, and you also try to solve the homeworks that I am giving in the end. So this is LHS, this is RHS. So we start with LHS. So mind it, in RHS you have cot theta minus cosec 4 theta. Okay. So always while solving this type of question, it should be in your mind what is in RHS, what I have to get. Now cosec 2 theta is 1 by sin 2 theta and cot 4 theta is cos 4 theta by sin 4 theta as usual. Now you know cos 4 theta is cos 2 into 2 theta. So you can apply cos 2a equal to 2 cos square a minus 1, that formula. So 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1, denominator is same. Now this fraction, it has two parts, 2 cos square theta and minus 1. From here we break down 1 by 2 sin 2 theta plus 2 cos square 2 theta by sin 4 theta minus 1 by 4 sin 4 theta. See here, so be clever. This means cosec 4 theta minus cosec 4 theta is required in RHS. So we will not touch this later. Only we will simplify this part. Now see here, sin 4 theta is 2 sin 2 theta into cos 2 theta. So 2 cancelled, a square removed, cos 2 theta removed. So what is left? 1 by sin 2 theta plus cos 2 theta by sin 2 theta. That is equal to cosec minus cosec 4 theta. So next step, combine these two. So take LCM, sin 2 theta, 1 plus cos 2 theta minus cosec 4 theta. You know 1 plus cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1. This 1 and 1 cancelled and sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 cancelled is cos square theta cos theta. So cos theta got cancelled. So what is left? Cos theta by sin theta is left, that is cot theta, and this part is minus cosec 4 theta. So in this way you can get RHS. Now last question in today's series. This is also very important question. 2 LHS is 2 cos theta plus 1 into 2 cos theta minus 1 into 2 cos 2 theta minus 1 into 2 cos 4 theta minus 1, and you have to prove it 2 cos 8 theta plus 1. So we write LHS as given in the question. Now in first two bracket you apply a plus b into a minus b. Next two bracket we will keep untouched. So a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So it will become 4 cos square theta minus 1, and these two part is same. Now we will modify this bracket. 4 means 2 into 2 cos square theta minus 1. These two are same. Now 2 as it is, and 2 cos square theta equal to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So if you go back to the list of formula, so you can get it. 2 cos square theta is 1 plus cos 2 theta minus 1 is carried forward. These two terms are untouched. So here I have given clarification. Now remove this bracket, only this internal bracket. 2 into 1, 2 plus 2 cos 2 theta minus 1. These two are still same. Bracket removed. 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. So 2 cos 2 theta plus 1, 2 cos 2 theta minus 1, 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. Now you have only 3 brackets. In first two bracket again a plus b into a minus b. So multiply them. A square minus b square. 2 to the 4 cos square theta minus 1, and this third bracket is here. Now same technique as we have done here, we will do here with double angle theta, 2 theta. 2 into 2 cos square 2 theta minus 1. Next bracket is same. 2 cos square 2 theta, double of double will become 1 plus cos 4 theta, as this one. See the mouse movement. So 2 into 1 plus cos 4 theta minus 1 into 2 cos 4 theta minus 1. So again remove bracket. 2 into 1 2 plus 2 into cos 4 theta minus 1. So 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. This bracket is same. And now again you have two brackets and it is in the form a plus b into a minus b. Again you apply same technique. 4 2 to the 4 a square minus b square. Now 4 can be written as 2 into 2 cos square 4 theta minus 1. So again 2 cos square 4 theta is 1 plus double of 4 is 1 plus cos 8 theta. Remove this bracket. 2 minus 1 will become plus 1. So 2 cos 8 theta plus 1. In this way we end today's session. So here you have to solve from here to here all questions, and next page you have to solve from here to here. It is your try, and give your comments through this app and through WhatsApp group which questions are difficult. So I'll try to solve and again give you in next class. Okay, thank you, have a good day and enjoy Koshi Vidya Mandir online class.